Four seasons, four animals. Written and illustrated by Ashley Wolf. Spring. It is spring. Young animals run and play. Birds' nests are full of eggs. Soon the eggs will hatch. Spring brings rain. Grass turns green and grows tall. Buds grow on trees and plants. Spring also brings rain puddles. Flower buds get wet. Rain helps the new plants grow. Summer, it is summer. Buds open and flowers bloom in the bright sun. Insects buzz here and there. Now there are chicks in the bird nest. Their mother will teach them how to fly. It can get very hot in the summer. Many animals live near the pond. Ducks swim in the pond. Fox pups cool off in the shade. Fall, it is fall. Leaves fall down. Animals get ready for winter. Some animals eat as much as they can. They need to store fat because food is scarce in the winter. Squirrels and chipmunks gather nuts so they will have enough food for the winter. Winter. It is winter. Winter can be very cold and wet. Birds hibernate in the winter. That means they sleep. Many other animals hibernate in the winter. They curl up and dance to keep safe from the cold and wet. Like all the seasons, the winter will pass. The animals know that spring will come once again.